Oh no! Huntrix is in trouble! This is bad! Who could be behind such a dastardly scheme? The Saja boys! We should have known. How are our favorite super idols getting out of this? Don't worry, help is on the way. But will it be too late? Wow, Mira's a mermaid! It's a dream come true! Let's hope the others sprouted some gills too. Ooh, Zoe's got a tail! And big bright eyes.
What?
Don't worry about Rumi, she's climbed out of bigger messes. Our little mermaids are gonna need a place to rest their fins.
Yay!
I don't think pieces of candy are the answer. Wait a sec, candy is always the answer. And look, we can use the wrappers to decorate the walls. They even kind of look like mermaid fins. Kinda.
Wow!
And there's more than enough to fill things up. Wow, the rainbow fish must have been generous today.
Wow!
Home renovation is thirsty work. How about some juice?
Whoa!
Is it empty? Good. We can use that container. She's always got a trick up her sleeve. A slip cover, but it needs something else. Twist and turn this pipe cleaner into a cool new shape.
Wow!
It's coral, the perfect thing for our seabed. Couch. Come on, girls. Why don't you sit down and relax?
Yes!
Hey, somebody's splashing around here. Oh, it's Mira, and she's got the right idea. After all, a mermaid needs to be near water. Just take a large hamster tunnel, like from a large hamster. Hang them up. They can become slides. Next, grab our special treasure chest. It's got just what we need, aquarium glass.
Wow!
Here's the fun part. Take a hammer and break it into gravel. Now we can use it to cover up the seafloor. And no one said that it can't be rainbow colored. Add some underwater decor, like a castle and some sea plants. Don't forget to make a little treasure chest of their own. The slides could use a little something too.
Yay!
Okay, girls, why don't you try them out? Come on, there's plenty of room down here for all of you. Oh, Rumi, save that for the public pool.
Ew!
Yeah, I can see why Mira's sitting this one out. What can we do? An egg? Well, at least it's fresh. Leaving the nest so soon? See you later. But his love is always with us. See? It could use a little something, like some gum. Make sure it has a square shape and add it on. Of course, we want to keep our ocean theme going. Besides, coral is just so comfy. Here, Rumi. We should give her some alone time. Ooh, it looks like Zoe's getting hungry. And I'm sure Mira can eat too. Take some scraps of paper. It's doll seaweed. Now add some filling on the inside. It's our very special Mermaid Gimbop. Made for mermaids, not out of mermaids. No mermaids were hurt in the making of this video. This should put some spring in your step. Just kidding. It's Romune. It's their trademark. You know, I think we've all earned a treat. Ooh, save that paper cup when you're done. Do you need an antacid? Or a breath mint? All good? Well then, let's get crafting. We can use it to make a TV castle. Wow, it even picks up Cool Tool videos. But it looks like Roomy wants to hit the hay. Or whatever the mermaid version of that is. Grab a zip pack and fill it with water beads. Seal it up tight and lie it down flat. Now let's add some color, like blue and green. Add some paper, down below and some on top. We need to spread the color out, so get smushing. Come on, I want to see some serious turquoise. Find some room for our seabed in the corner. All Roomy needs is some pillows and she can sleep. Or lie back and feel the beads between her fingers. Hey, who keeps throwing trash? Oh, it's you. What are you even looking for? A plastic bottle? Break it up and keep the bottom half. Draw a blue circle and carve it out. Now it's time to start heating things up. Make some nice shapes to put together. Hey, we've made a baby jellyfish. Of course, they need to float. Hang them up. And just look at how they light up the room. Besides, Roomy can use a little nightlight. Next up, grab an old glue gun stick. Now break it up into little pieces. But we really want to make sure everyone gets the point. Make sure you've got adult supervision, even if you are one. Who says an octopus's garden can't be well lit?
Yay!
Now enjoy some fun, well-written videos. You know, they're great singers, but they're real sirens now. Oh, first day at school? Bring enough slices for the whole class? Oh no! Not the cake! It even comes with donuts! Watch out! Well, at least you get frosting. It's my house of cards all over again! Wow, she's a mermaid? Well, back to the ocean she goes. Oh, it's time for lunch. And I think I just lost my appetite. Why don't we grab this plastic wrap and roll out some glue from a glue stick? Wrap it all up, keeping the glue in the middle. And now cover it up again with some paper. Fold it up into small blocks. Now, our little pimple pouches need a face. This'll work, but they still need a little opening. Just poke each one with a toothpick. Wow! Hopefully this'll get all that pimple popping out of his system. Science fair time. The volcano's always a classic. I mean, you did it last year too. How about a bee? How about you? Oh, a potato light bulb. It works, but he prefers French fries. Still, it's better than nothing. Literal nothing. Maybe this straw can help. Cut it up. Hang some paper clips and add some eyes. Looks like you've got some to spare. Now dunk it in the water. It's our very own Cartesian bottle diver. Give it a squeeze, and the little diver goes up and down. And look who's making the honor roll. Ah, what a nice, bright, sunny day. Great for schoolwork. Though, maybe we should dim the lights. And I wouldn't mind some air conditioning. But for now, let's do something about that skin. I don't think we can just peel off this problem. Good idea. Let's use this scale stencil. And brush on some makeup powder. For a new kind of cover-up. Locker check. Aw, what a pretty doll. Ah, she's probably just jealous. Okay, this girl needs a hobby. Why must bad things happen to good dolls? I know. She can be a mermaid too. You know, green tails are just expected. Wait till you see what she's got planned for the legs. Anyone got an extra pencil?
Hey!
Preferably one without slime.
Yuck.
Okay, we need to clean those hands. Cut some nails out of a plastic envelope. Now it's time for some glitter. Keep pouring. What else can we add? Maybe we can find something here. A fish? Oh, we're getting warmer. Ooh, a starfish! And it's fun-sized. Let's add it. And some tiny shells, too. Hey, where'd you put that fork? Of course.
Wow.
You'll never know when it'll come in handy. So, anyone up for s'mores? Looks like it's time for Phys Ed. Ooh, careful around all that sweat. On the plus side, we're starting swimming next term. But for now, back to stretching. Maybe there's something that can help.
Wow.
Put on this hair drying cap. And turn on the blow dryer. Good. That should dry you off. Let's hope you studied for the big test. But don't get too worked up. How about this? Take some sand and water and add them inside a balloon. Tie it up, and it's a stress ball. Here, you might need this. I think somebody needs a napkin. For now, let's clean up that sweater. Or at least cover the stain. Whoa. This shell is just what we need. What else? Oh, good idea, seaweed. Almost done. Just clean that face. Another doll? Well, be careful. This is why toys stay at home. Here, why don't we add on a pop tube? Look, it could be the mermaid's tail. But we're still gonna need a fin. We can make some out of clay. Now scratch out some lines. Add a smaller tube to help it fit. And it's the finishing touch. Oh, someone's writing love notes. Whoops, can't let the teacher see. What our notes need is a little lamination. Add some tape on top of the notes. Now dip the note in some water. Scratch off the paper, and the note survives. Now we just need somewhere to hide it. Oh, like this plastic water bottle. Wait a sec, food's not allowed in here. Let's hope he doesn't notice the note. I guess it's not our lucky day. And this is why you don't fall asleep in class. Hey, don't pin this all on her. Here, take a glue gun and draw on the bottle. Now add some paper clip wires. We'll need to cover it up. Add some clay. Now let's add some suction cups. And a big purple head in the middle. Wake up, Mr. Octopus. Nothing out of the ordinary here, sir. Just sitting here with our handy-dandy octopus. Your piece for art class looks great. Oh no, now it's all wet. But maybe that's just the thing this picture needs. And why stop there?